Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Disney Plus on your Amazon FireStick device step by step. If you love watching movies, TV shows, and exclusive originals from Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and more, then this is definitely an app you'll want on your FireStick. I'll walk you through the complete process from start to finish so you can get the app installed and start streaming in just a few minutes. And I'll also show you why using a VPN like NordVPN can be very helpful for streaming. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, the first thing we need to do is head over to the Find option on your FireStick home screen. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Search. When the search screen opens, you'll see the on-screen keyboard where you can search for any app that's available on the Amazon App Store. Now using your remote, simply start typing Disney Plus. As you type the first few letters, you'll see the Disney Plus app start appearing in the search suggestions. Once you see it, go ahead and scroll down and click on it. On the next screen, make sure you select the official Disney Plus app from the list. After opening it, you'll see the option to download or get the app on your FireStick device. Go ahead and press the download button using your FireStick remote. The app will now start downloading and installing automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button appear on the screen. Go ahead and click Open to launch the Disney Plus app. When the app opens for the first time, you'll be taken directly to the Welcome screen where you can either sign in with your existing Disney Plus account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After signing in, you'll get full access to the Disney Plus library, which includes thousands of movies and TV shows. This includes content from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, along with many exclusive originals that you won't find anywhere else. Now, before you start streaming, I highly recommend using a VPN like NordVPN. A VPN helps protect your online privacy and can also help you access content that may be restricted in certain regions. Since some streaming services limit their libraries depending on your country, using a reliable VPN can improve your streaming experience. To install NordVPN on your FireStick, simply go back to the Find Search option again and type NordVPN. Select the official app, download it, and install it just like we did earlier. Once installed, open the NordVPN app and sign in with your account. After logging in, connect to a fast recommended server. Usually, the nearest server works best for smooth streaming. Once your VPN is connected, go ahead and reopen the Disney Plus app. Now you can safely start browsing the platform and enjoy your favorite movies, series, and exclusive Disney Plus content directly on your FireStick. Anytime you want to access the app again, simply hold down the Home button on your FireStick remote, select Apps, and scroll through your installed applications until you find Disney Plus. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tutorials about FireStick apps, streaming tips, and TV box guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.